Hello from Slovenia again. I will try something new today again. I will pour my paints into the cup and then I will put a piece of tape on top to separate it. And I will do kind of a wandering straight pour. And I will start with some pearl white and primary yellow and magenta and a little bit of black, not a lot, and permanent red violet and Windsor violet and some pearl white again. Yellow. Hope that it will not mix too much with the violet. A little bit of black, maybe just a little more than I did before, and permanent red violet and the Windsor violet, and I will add a little smaller layer on top. Yellow. Okay, I will just wipe this off. I think that I saw, I don't know, probably a few years ago, somebody, I don't remember who, do this, done that. So let's do that like this. I will go just around. Oh, shouldn't have wear gloves with this. And I will do a wandering straight pour, and I did tape my my sides because I don't know what will happen, and I want to keep some edges if I will have to. Interesting here, but don't have enough paint. So I will fill out my cup once more. Okay, so I did refill my cup, and I will start here this time. Okay, and now I will just add a little of this violet here, because I missed some paint here, just to have some flow extender here too, you know. I'm not quite happy with the composition. I kind of like this part, but kind of don't, so. We'll take a chance. Probably I should have left it. Not happy at all. I was expecting a little different thing. I just don't want to lose all this paint, so let's try with some marbles. Shall we? Where are my marbles? I lost my marbles. Now I'm done. Like it much more now. So that's how it is sometimes, you know. Just don't turn out as you wished or hoped or planned. But you have a lot of things how you can turn it something that you will like more. Not always, but a lot of the times. Okay, so let me take you down for a close-up. So here it is. I really like it now because it has a little sense with this white and yellowish part in the middle, and a lot of beautiful transparency look, cloudy look in between. And here some amazing lines, and I like the sides too. With those lines, see? And here with this transparency. I really like it. So after all, I managed to get the painting that I like anyway. Sorry, my other camera is on my way. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.